Hey folks, I'm excited to launch my second course. A few weeks ago, I launched a course on Dataverse security, and today I'm launching a course called Practical AI in the Power Platform. In this course, we're going to do an intro to AI. We're going to talk about the tools already available for your users in the first-party apps. We will talk about the tools for makers to help them build faster, and then we're going to talk about how makers can build AI. And all of this is low code. You can do all of it within a trial environment. This course also includes labs, and those labs have video walkthroughs to make sure that you don't get stuck. So I hope that you check it out. Also note, you're going to see this available at Dynamic Communities Summit in the fall as a full day course. So either you can come do that full day course, we're going to do all those labs in person, or if you want a shorter, less hands-on approach, then you can do the online version of these courses and labs. Let me know what you think, and I can't wait to hear how it goes.